Police in Regional Division 6 have arrested a 21-year-old construction worker of Alnis Village, Quarantine, Berbice, following the discovery of firearms and ammunition during an operation on Tuesday at Ulverston Village. Acting on information linked to recent robberies in Rose Hall, ranks moved in on the suspect and conducted searches at a location in Ulverston. Their officers uncovered a cutlass sack hidden in a tamarind tree on an empty plot of land. Inside the sack were one 9mm pistol with 4 matching rounds, one AK-47 rifle with 17 matching 7.62 rounds, and a pair of gloves. The suspect was taken to the Rose Hall police station where the firearms and ammunition were lodged as evidence. Investigators say the discovery may be connected to an ongoing robbery investigation in the Quarantine area. Police have confirmed that the investigations are continuing.